Hi guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest half up, half down hairstyle ever. To start, we're going to section off the top of the hair from about the end of the eyebrows, and we're just going to bring this around to the back of the head and tie it together with a clear elastic band. Clip that little ponytail up and out of the way for later, and we're just going to take one more section from just underneath. It's going to be about an inch thick. So gather that together just under that other ponytail. And again, we're going to tie it off with a clear elastic band. On the last turn of that elastic band, don't pull the ends all the way through. Just pull them part way through so you create a little loop. Now we're going to release that top section back down, and we're just going to pop our fingers through that little loop. Pass the ponytail to your fingers and pull it all the way through the loop. Now we're just going to position that loop so it goes from left to right, so it lays horizontally, and then just to keep it nice and secure, we're just going to slip a bobby pin on either side of that loop so it doesn't move around too much. Next, apply some texture spray all over the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below. And we're going to pinch and pull at the crown area. And here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.